Let's add an album to the player by clicking the three dots and choosing Add to Player. Now start playing the song. Pause it or skip to the next track. You can change the beats per minute with either the plus, minus, or adjust by dragging the slider. Click the reverse arrow circle if you want to reset the BPM. Browse the Help and Resources section to learn about the BPM lock feature. At the bottom right, you can click to see all the tracks if you'd like to select a different song from the album. Click the music notes icon in the bottom right-hand corner to return to your previous view. If you'd ever like to repeat a song, tap the square icon. To take a song off of repeat, tap it again. The icon on the left of two arrows crisscrossing indicates the option to shuffle. But please note, this can only be done on a playlist, not an album or custom mix. On the bottom left, you can access our timer feature. You'll find a stopwatch and Tabata timer under Classic Timers. You can also create custom timers as well. Please visit our Help and Resources section to learn more about how to use our timers. Exit the player by clicking the arrow button at the top.